Yo everyone, this is Chris and today we are unboxing the original Lucky Bag from Beautylish. The box went for $75 for over, I think, $150 of products, and there could be some surprises. We don't know what kind of stuff we're gonna get in this box, how random it's gonna be, if it's a set box for everyone, who knows. So this is why you guys are watching, because you wanna know what's inside. Let's get started right now. Alright, so this is the box right here. So, I pre-opened it. Beautylish does the most amazing packaging of them all. I'm trying to see if I can get this inside. But let's do it. Here it is. And I just got out of work. I got out of work really late. I'm like looking at myself. I'm like, I look mismatched, but I don't care because I want to open this up. So this is the first time that I saw, so we're going to open this up. Alright, this is from Good Molecules. They always added a product in their Lucky Bag, I think, from Good Molecules. This is the Niacinamide Brightening Toner with vitamin C. Vitamin C is really great for your skin. And let's open this up. Who knows how much this retails for, you know? Wow, this is it. And this is the toner. Oh, I have to open it up. I actually will use this. I need tone. I need some toner in my life. If it has a nasty ass scent, then you know this is good for your skin. Yeah, it smells like nature. I'm gonna check how much this retails for. Do they have this? It didn't really say. But apparently this is a very affordable product. They, from last year's box, they put in a an under eye serum droplet, and I put it on for an entire year, guys, and it did nothing for me. Absolutely nothing. So hopefully this from Good Molecules will work. Who knows? We'll see. All right, let's move on to the next product. Ooh, what is this? Luxury palette of pops. Color-coded eyeshadows. It's 4 eyeshadows in this. Oh, it's from Charlotte Tilbury. I always wanted a product from her. She is literally killing it on Instagram lately, guys. I've been seeing a lot of ads from Charlotte Tilbury that I really want, because some of the looks that they put on Instagram ads are beautiful. And I was like, I really want a Charlotte Tilbury one. And I got it, and these colors are gorgeous. Look at that. They're all neutrals, shimmery. I mean, I have, and I put something on me. What would it be? You know what, let's put it on this eye. Oh, you can't tell because I have extreme silver. Never mind, never mind. I would swatch it, but I will be a mess. So, that is it for Charlotte Tilbury. And this, let's see how much this goes for. So, this retails for, whoa! According to my phone, my Google search, this retails for $53. Holla! Wow. Okay, this. So far it's like 60 bucks, over 60 bucks of items. Let's get to the next one. Here we have, ooh, a Cover FX Lunar something. What is this? Glitter drops. This is very appropriate since I have glitter on my eyeballs. Whoa, wait, what is this for? Is this for your face then? I don't know any of these things anymore. You just put glitter all over yourself. It is, oh, don't mind my eyeliner. I had a really crappy eyeliner today, and then I was just like struggling. I'm like, you know what, I don't care how my eyeliner looks today. But this is how the glitter drops. It's a nice blue shimmer. Where would I put this though? Where would I put this, guys? You know what? I'll just put it on this eyeball. I'll just, you know what? I can't really tell if this looks decent or not through my monitor, but I guess I look normal still, right? Do I look normal? It's cool. I mean, I'm not gonna use this as much, but this is pretty for your entire body if you want to be glittery and shimmery and make it go all over your clothes. This retails for, shut up. Really? This is 44 bucks? This? Oh my god. This retails off of Ulta Beauty, $44. So now we have about $100. Basically, these 3 products are over $100. Box cost $75. So you're already getting your money's worth off of these 3 products, and I still have a lot more to go. Okay, but you know, these are items people don't want. I think. Ooh, oh my god! This is from Japan, from Kumano Fure. This, hi. Wow, this is very kawaii. Now I'm talking Japanese. I'm going to Japan, guys, this year. Later at the end of the year, after Tokyo Olympics. I know Sonia G. Shout out to Sonia G. You know who you are, girl. You should own this. Worker 3. Is this really from Japan? So there are makeup brushes made in Japan. Wow. Color Pro, there's a Pencil Pro, there's a Smudge Pro, Pencil, I don't know. Worker 2. Where's Worker 3? I don't see Worker 3 at all on the website. Maybe I missed it. Well, Worker 2 is that. Well, I found something. Okay, I found Worker 3 on Beautylish. This retails for $32. I'm just gonna keep saying that. Alright, so we got that. And then the next item up for grabs. Ooh, from Pharmacy. The Bright On Vitamin C Mask. Wow! You know what's funny? I went to my my esthetician and they're like, get anything vitamin C for your face. It is good for you. And I got a vitamin C mask from Pharmacy. Here it is. I feel like on Pharmacy it's on sale for $28. No, wait. It's on sale on Pharmacy Beauty for $22. Ooh, and this is a clean product too. Clean product. It means there's no, are you sure that's a clean product? I've seen like the ingredient list and it's like endless. But this is $38 it retails for at Sephora.com. Ooh. What is this? Is this like a makeup thing? A makeup thing, of course. Ooh, fancy. It is a fox fur brush roll. So you can travel with and keep touching like endless. Ooh, ooh. This is a Beautylish product. So a Beautylish fox fur brush roll black. Who knows what the retail value is? I did not find it. We'll move on. I'm guessing maybe it'll be 20 bucks. Watch it be like 40. And that is the end of this bag. We're moving on to this box. I'm thinking this is a palette. This is big. Oh, this is it. Okay, this is it. This is the mother of all. Okay, this box is falling. Just rip it. Wait, yeah. Then I'm gonna rip it like crazy. So far it's pink. It's pink, I'm not gonna look at it. Oh, there's stuff. Okay, now I have to look at it. What is this? Oh! Little twin stars from Sanrio. This is so cute. It's a sugar pill times the little twin stars from Sanrio Pro Palette Collection. And I'm gonna open this up. I did not expect this. This literally made me feel like a kid on Christmas. Because I see things that you love, little twin stars and makeup. Here it is. Wow, look at the case. This is cute. I used to be very addicted to Hello Kitty and everything at the Sanrio stores when they were all across the nation. But now there's only like 2 left or something. But I would buy a bunch of like bags like these, and I still have them. My sister has a lot too. But this is the bag. It's cool. It's a little see-through, so you can check your stuff out. We got 2 colors matching the brother and the sister, which are nice. I mean, I think I could put this one on since it matches my lips right now. Ooh, it has a bubble gum, like expired bubble gum smell, but it smells like candy. And then this is the palette. I'm trying to see if it smells, but it's my lip. I'm smelling my own lip right now. These are the colors. I mean, it's not bad of a color set. I like this. I mean, I would wear all of them, but not all the time. I can only imagine how much this retails for. Let's see, it's limited edition too. Alright, it's not too bad. I mean, on Ulta Beauty, this retails for $48 and on Beautylish, $39.50. Gosh, I'm not sure how much all of this will retail for. This is like 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. It's close to $200, or it is $200, guys. Not bad of a deal for the Beautylish box. It's really cool because it's like you get products that you don't think you would need or buy. This is really fun. I can't wait to try some of the products. I'm excited for the Charlotte, I can't say her name sometimes, Tilbury. I want to say Charlotte Pillsbury, but I cannot say Charlotte Pillsbury. Well, I'm gonna say Charlotte Pillsbury. Can't wait to try it, the Charlotte Pillsbury Tilbury little mini palette. I think this was a highlight for me. That is it, guys. That is my unboxing for the 2020 Beautylish mystery lucky bag box thing. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Stay tuned for more videos and be sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys and I'll catch you guys next time. Bye.